Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find and utilize the electric ripple effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Glitch, and then it's going to be the first effect on the category. So initially you're going to grab it, bring it down to the timeline. It's called the electric ripple effect, and we're just going to scroll through it to check it out. Okay. And what we can do is either pick a specific moment within the clip to add it, or we can add it for the full length of the clip. Now we can go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the atmosphere, the blur, the color, the twist, glow, range, speed, and we can also add keyframes to it. So let's check it out. And there you have it, the electric ripple effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.